services, and Internet of Things that work with IM. This section covers the networking services, business application services, analytics services, end-user computing services, and Internet of Things that work with IM and demonstrate how to implement IM with those services in an actual use case scenario. In this video, we will learn how to implement IM with AWS CloudFront. First on our list is AWS CloudFront. IM plays an essential role in protecting your CloudFront resource, such as data, videos, applications, and APIs. Since CloudFront is primarily used from content delivery, you would want to limit those that can access your CloudFront resources. On our demo, I will show you sample policies for AWS CloudFront with IM. Now we will have a short demo about CloudFront using IM. Listen, focus, and learn. With IM, we're gonna go forward with, wait for it, okay? So now with IM, we're gonna go to policies. So under policy, we're gonna navigate the CloudFront policies. Okay, so we're gonna type CloudFront, okay? You would like to have a policy for full access. So you need to choose CloudFront full access. This provides a full access to the CloudFront console, plus the ability to list Amazon S3 bucket via the AWS management console. So this will give you the capability to list, as what the description says here. And then the Amazon resource name will be related to S3. That's what the description says again. So the action will have the action of this policy, which is CloudFront Full Access, has the capability to list certificates. CloudFront, all the action for CloudFront have an IM list server certificates, list web ACL, and get web ACL as well. So the effect, it will allow everything. You could access every resource if you choose the CloudFront full access. So next is the CloudFront logger, front logger. So this will give you the capability to write permission to CloudWatch logs. So as you can see here, you could create logs on the CloudWatch, create log stream, and put log events as well. So this is for the CloudFront logger. Next is, if you would like the user to have the capability to view only, this will be the policy for the user. So provide access to CloudFront distribution configuration information and list distribution by the AWS management console. So as you can see here, the action have the capability to list certificates, get the action for the CloudFront, view the list server certificates, list all the, for the Route 53, list web ACL, get web ACL, and there. As you can see, it can only view the information, the content. Okay, so for the CloudFront, if you choose the CloudFront read-only access. This ends my video for the CloudFront using IM. Thank you.